Because the Tunisian tourism industry has been adversely affected due to the impact of the COVID-19 global pandemic. But the authorities are devising means to resume operations as per the new health measures outlined by the health experts. The government has warned against the increase of the COVID-19 cases as citizens return to normal life activities without adhering to the guidelines. Here's more details of that.
Authorities in the North African nation believe that the strategy of coexistence with the virus will prevent a disastrous 2020 tourist season. According to the latest monetary and financial indicators published by the Central Bank of Tunisia and the Ministry of Tourism and Handicrafts, tourist revenues fell by 56% at the end of July 2020 to around $400 million from $900 million during the same period of 2019.
Tunisia can no longer afford to close its air and maritime borders because it will paralyze the economic activity again, and especially tourism. We must cope with this new situation and preserve jobs. However, we must not tolerate any disrespects of coexistence strategy. It will not be at the expense of public health.
The Ministry of Health has put in place a strict and updated health protocol at all hotels in the main tourist destinations. In effect, this means that hotels cannot remain closed indefinitely.
The Tourism Office and the Ministry have initiated the health protocol, which is now taking into consideration the coexistence strategy while respecting the standards of the International Tourism Organization. We are confident that this strategy will work.
The government has warned against the increase in the number of local infections. The National Observatory of New and Emerging Diseases declared that many Tunisians have resumed a normal life without respecting the prevention measures. Thousands of European travelers have visited the tourist resorts of Jerba, Mehdiya, Sousse and Hammamet since Tunisia reopened its air and maritime borders on June 27th. In addition, over 10,000 tourists are expected to spend their holidays in the North African country in the next 4 weeks. A special unit from the Ministry of Health will be in charge of imposing the new prevention measures at ports and airports. However, tourism experts assert that respecting social distancing at hotels and using face masks at the beaches and the swimming pools is an unrealistic measure.